Kani kadika Pyrthei CTV.
Ka film rock on to kadika film ka balawan ring duru hakani ka rilum kasi jantia. Hakaba ki nosna jongani ka film kemshim la panokam tangya ki jingdon jing am hakajing itanat hakamaryang. Handai la ai kamru iki babon ki trasnong hakapor baka kanhon sna film. Kadon hakani ka jalla banding dor yakani ka film. Ki trasnong amtang hakikam. Handai ki donro ki kanhon ki balayo banyadan benta hakani ka film. Kumba kalong menta ka jing pembet penbyang yakani ka film ladap lon. Bat sen hakakhatwai terik unai weng menta kasnem on supply pai ba anoro yakani ka film habarok we kari India. Haswa ban plai pai ba yakani ka film rock on to. Hak art we trek mentau bna risau. Ki arngot ki Tyngshop bat Puron ki ba ak akani ka film pakan top yu Farhan Akhtar bar ka Shraddha Kapoor. Kilawan sakani nong ba bat hakaji kan do ba kinong Pyrthei kubor. Kile thu ya shibon ki ki jingsham hakajing ya lanti jungki bansna yakani ka film. Bat nalor kani kila kran saru ba ka jingwan ring dur sakani ka rilom khasi. Hakani ka film kalong sibenta ban Kyntiew ka Jngohkai Pyrthei hakani ka rilom khasi bat jantia.
And then of course, just everything that the state has to offer in terms of the natural beauty of the place. And it was very comfortable working here. All of us, it's very rare that when a shoot schedule in an outdoor gets over and it's time to go back home, that every single person on the crew feels bad about leaving. You know, it's very rare when that happens. And that is something that happened at the end of the shoot here, so that I think pretty much describes our experience of being in Meghalaya.
It was one of the places which I felt was the most difficult place to leave and go back home from. Then we came back for shoot. Then we came back again recently for some portions we had to shoot for our film, and now we're back again. So actually I've been here 4 times, and every time, even the last time we went back, it was just really hard to say bye to Shillong. It's become one of my favorite places. I think that we were really fortunate enough to shoot here, shoot our film here. The people of Shillong, whoever we interacted with, were really lovely, made us feel like we were at home, and we all became like one nice, happy family of rock on in Shillong. So that was really nice. I wouldn't mind living here. It's that lovely.
Kani kadika Pyrthei CTV.